Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. In today's video, we're going to be making this Farmhouse Coastal Decor. First, I'm going to start off using this Valentine's Day sign, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the staples and the hanger from the back. Next, I'm going to remove the metal hearts from the back just by popping them off, and I'm not going to worry too much about the little piece of cardboard that will be left underneath because it won't matter for this DIY. Taking an 8x10 canvas that I had, I'm just going to use it as a template to draw the house shape at the top of the board. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut that shape out. My blade did bend and kind of messed it up a little bit, but it really won't matter too much since that'll be covered. Taking my apple barrel paint in the color white, I'm going to give both pieces one coat. Once that's dry, I'm going to take white and Caribbean and mix those to a light blue, and then go ahead and paint both of the boards. Next, I'm going to take 4 craft sticks and I'm going to cut the tips off to give a straight edge on all 4. On 2 of the sticks, you're going to cut them a little bit shorter, as you can see here. Now I'm going to give them 1 coat of white paint, and I'm going to glue them down using hot glue, as you can see here, but I do recommend a wood glue or an E6000 glue for a more permanent hold. Taking these 2 wooden stars, I'm going to give them a coat of white paint. Next, I'm going to glue those down to the top of both of the plaques. Now I'm going to take these 2 hanging mason jars, which I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and measure out where I want it to set and just mark on both sides of the wire hanger. Now I'm going to make 2 holes in the wood. This would have been a lot easier if I would have had some small nails to make a hole or a small drill. I didn't have any, so I just used this point screwdriver and just went ahead and made the holes. Next, taking some jute twine, I'm going to go ahead and push it through the holes, as you can see me doing here in the next few steps. After I tie off the jute twine, I'm going to use a little hot glue to go ahead and secure it in place. Some more of the jute twine, I'm going to glue it to the back of the sign to make the hanger. And this is what they'll look like once you have the hangers glued on. Taking some tumbling tower blocks, I'm going to glue those to the back of the sign, as you can see me doing here, and I'm going to glue them also to where they can hold some LED lights. Taking the LED lights, I'm going to place those in the mason jar, as well as I'm going to be adding some flowers in. And this is what they'll look like once they're completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see every time that I upload a new video. As always, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, have a great day.